In a sleepy coastal town, Mina discovers she can translate sneezes into tiny Morse codes that guide conversation. Her first breakthrough comes during a cold, decoding a choose to predict punchlines before jokes land, sparking unexpected applause. On a crowded subway, a sneeze sequence leads her to a missing child, hidden among commuters and bright plastic poles. The hardest part is muting her laughter while staying in tempo, a daily battle with nerves and pride. Today she hosts Sneeze Encoded Improv, helps friends order coffee, and teaches kids to listen beyond ordinary words.